Hello everyone, and welcome into yet another live stream. It does feel a bit weird. Normally, right now I would play something like Odd Chop, and I do believe I'll have to change the music because this was too energetic for this. It's just this is a coding live stream, haven't done that in a while. Yeah, recently I realized that leaving Ventum Engine not finished is, not respectful. So, we'll finish it. Now, as always, I always start the streams in the exact same way. I do this: CD desktop projects git mkt multi-app code. This is Ventum Engine or mkt multi-app, depending on what you want to call it. Or at least that's one of its versions, because there's a lot of them. A lot of them. Oh boy, there's a lot of them. And so there's a lot of them. Yeah, there's also a lot of. Oh shoot. Here's the thing. There's a couple of hiccups to be solved before Ventum Engine can be considered done. The biggest one of the hiccups. There are actually 1, 2, 3, 4, I think. 4 hiccups. And those hiccups being, first of all, the fact that right now, the biggest problem I have is the inability to display vector graphics. I mean, of course, they can be displayed easily, but I cannot draw complex vector graphics. I can draw triangles easy. I can draw shapes. I can draw quadratic curves. I figured out that that's the last big thing we mentioned, but I didn't really come up with a solution on how to display all of them combined to define a shape. Actually, where are we? That's a good question. Oh, it saved the last. Oh, that's so nice. Build PS1 quadratic shaders and debug, because obviously we're doing debug. There we go. Another hiccup is the fact that I would like to get some audio in it. Third one is the fact that I would love to get some networking. And fourth hiccup is the fact that it's not really working. Yeah, it's a bit of a problem. It's rather big. It's rather big, and so I don't think we'll fix it today. I just wanted to take one day at a time to at least figure out what's wrong with it. You have to understand, this is my child. This is my biggest, to this day, my biggest project I've ever done. It's massive. Look at all of this has been done by me, alright? No one helped me with that. So it is very much my child. And so let me finish this. Because here's the thing, in the meantime, I'm I am copying files at the moment. Let's check how hello, Make It, you mind saying something? Hello, Make It, you mind saying something? Oh, you are really quiet, how about now? Oh, you are really quiet, how about now? How about with the music? And how about if I talk right now with the music, obviously, how is it going to? How about if I talk right now with the music, obviously, how is it going to? Okay, I think it's fine, right? Nah, I have no idea. I'm not the YouTuber. Alright. Screen walk, so it's this one. Okay, so what's Ventum Engine? Well, that's a topic for a video, not a live stream. Honestly, if someone joined the stream and asked me right now what's Ventum Engine, I would answer. But it will be really hard to explain it quickly with no feedback. I either need feedback or a week. Those are one of these two to explain it well. Because Ventum Engine's all of this, every single file. It's massive. all the source files are in here. This massive thing, those are all the code that is required. Actually, not all the code that is required, because I'm also using Vulkan, so it requires even more. Alright. No, I'm actually at least kind of glad that I did most of these correctly. So, let's see. Where are you, my boy? Where are you crashing? Because you are crashing, yeah, it's crashing, obviously. It's crashing on the run. I know where that is. I do know where that is. If I'm not mistaken, there should be debug. Actually, debuggers. There are two debugs here? Yeah, because it will be in it. The run will be in it. If I remember that, come on, please walk with me here. It has to be in it. No, I'm trying. The run is for the runtime, surprisingly. Or maybe no engine? Wait, no, that's no more engine. There's run here, cool. So run starts, then it dies. Convenient to keep in mind. Good, glad. Not completely. Funny story, these are actually the first live streams that I've been doing daily. Coding issues. It was back when I wasn't doing YouTube, as I wasn't into YouTube as much as I am today. It still was my biggest thing. I just back then I was just young a bit. Right now I'm doing YouTube, I'm way dumber. Okay, I have did the stream under science and technology, added the coding, programming tags, so... And the thumbnail of the stream is a screenshot of an output from a terminal, so if someone clicks on the live stream and they expect something else, then the coding stream is their fault. Anyway, let's go. By the way, here's how the thumbnail, in case you want to know this is it. This is the debug output from my lovely debug function that cycles through all of those. It's yeah, NVIDIA also detects this because it's using Vulkan. And if it's not crashing, then it works really fine. The question I have is why is it not display? Well, two questions. First of all, why is it crashing? That's the obvious one. Second, why is it not displaying an image? It should. I'm pretty certain it should be displaying an image, and I'm pretty certain it's just disabled and working. It's working correctly, just disabled. Yeah, because here we have the quadratic. Here we're drawing the quadratic, which we don't really care about. Let's draw an image first. I'm pretty certain, hopefully, it will work. Oh, please. 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 Ventum, listen. I believe Ventum, okay? There's anyone who can do it, that's you. You can do it. Not gonna lie, Ventum Engines, that's a really fun project actually. Because if I manage to overcome every single problem with it, it actually would be useful. Really, not many programmers can say that they made something that already doesn't exist and is useful. Because Ventum Engine is a graphical engine. Yes! Oh! Yes! The really cool thing about this is the fact that this is a JPEG. And nothing in my code reads JPEG. So how did I do that? Well, magic. But at the same time, I got file library system, which is amazing. Oh, damn, that feels good. Okay, yeah, size is 101. Size of pick is 1. Size of AG, size of BM. Okay, yeah. 1. Size of BM is 1. Why is size of BM 1? Is it because I was testing? BM means bitmap. So, why is size of BM 1? Am I loading in a bitmap? I might be. Actually, now I'm thinking about this. Yeah. Init, right? Init. Am I loading in bitmap? This looks like my way of... No, that's a big quadratic. It's long. Listen. Load file. And this is what I love. Function load file. And that's it. You just load in a file. You just tell it this file and it loads it. It's... I love it. I love it. I'm sorry, I got excited on priorities. Okay. Yeah, so if I do this, then we should see 100. Not 101. I'm decently good with programming. I haven't done it in a while, but I'm decently good. This engine is why... Actually, I can show you how long to make that happen. It wouldn't be easy to show you actually, but... Videos. 11 subs, by the way. I love it. Thank you all so much. This was my first major programming thing. This was my second major programming thing. Then I made Size of Computers, and basically it was this. After that, like 2 weeks, my own file format, because back then I wanted to upload every 2 weeks, and I didn't manage, and I just made 2 videos. So this video was could have been way better, but I wanted to rush it for some reason. Then over here, I'm pleased, and I made also one more major programming thing, and then I made the Ventura engine video. After 4 months, it took I think around 70-80 streams at that point. Of course I was filming streams, don't watch that, I don't know. So good. Anyway, yeah, over here I was looking for some crashes, because I'm pretty certain the crashes are caused by this, right? I think. Well, wait. When is it crashing? It's crashing in the runtime, that's obvious. But after this print, the really useful function that I love is the debug. It's not a function, it's a function, but at the same time a macro, which, long story short, I can just do test, and if I over here build means that create the program without the debug thing, then it will no longer print it, which basically means that these basically are slowing it down significantly. Outputting stuff to terminal always slows it down, so if I don't want to slow it down, instead of removing every single thing from the code and stuff, I can just remove this and it will not be in code. It's not the fact that it will not like show, it will not be included in code, because if we go to utils, if I'm not mistaken, debug, this is replaced with this as 0, which means nothing, add nothing, and beautiful. Anyway, back to the thing. It's not a good macro, but it's not a hard macro to make, but the hard macro to make was in my when I was with LQ when I was trying to make it. It's a long story. Anyway. Runtime. Test, let's call it test 1 to 3, it's always need to answer the numbers there. Now it will be run the pass. It is in between those two. This 10 1 2 3 4. Actually no, it will have an debug, but it's fine. Let's do this. Debugs are just debugs that debugs work in the exact same way as debugs, except I use debug sometimes because they stand for repeat debugs, which means if there's a loop, then I wanted to set it as a separate debug, because then they will trash the entire terminal. So okay, so it's good up to this point. Now here's the thing, just because it goes up to this point does not mean there are no problems before. It just means that it doesn't crash in here, that the value that causes the problems, because echo last exit code, that's abnormal. Oh, that's not normal. Wait! No, wait, 1 2 3 4, right? This was... yeah, okay, but... oh, that's abnormal. Okay. I knew it was going to be good. So crash after this. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. I'm looking to do it 3 times. Oh, that's what there's debug. This is running on the loop. Yeah, this is running on the loop. This is running on the loop, but it crashes on the first time, so it's not anything. Okay. Oh, that's very bad. That's very bad news. Oh, that is very bad news. You're going to crash, my lad. It's right now. It's not going to turn off normally. It's stuck because it's trying to clean up a value which is not used. Long story. So, oh, that's very bad news. means that it will not be easy to check what's wrong. Because if that means it's undefined behavior. Great! 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 9. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Crash on the third time after this. Oh. Just for the future, it's like 5 and 6. And we won't draw frame. Let's go over here. We won't draw frame. This. We'll do it 7, 8. Oh yes! I'm sorry, I missed this. Okay. This was fun. When I come back, I'll try to get back to making 1 videos a week, because I do genuinely think my videos, getting 1 quality video a week is better than getting 4 dog shit videos a week. I'm sorry about next video. They are horrible. You suck. So instead of me doing 1 week, but something like enjoy, something like watch and proud of the fact that like something like Soda Guy's content, right? If you listen to Soda Guy's music, you're like, I'm content, I feel good, I listened to it, it was fine. There we go, that's piece of news, yes! Good. I'm sorry, yes, this is good, this is grand. You know why this is grand? Because this actually gives us information. Because we crash on this very line. Now something I really like to do is RGB. I like to mark the lines that crash. So this line crashes. That's why I have this, by the way. The only reason why I have this is to color code my code. Blue means a core function, which basically means this is, if you want to see how program progresses, then you can take a look at the blue functions, because this is the main function basically. No, it's not the main function. Main function is obviously called the main function, but this is the step by step. Red means a line with the error. There was also green, if I'm not mistaken, in it. Like that. So there was green, and I think yellow. No, I had couple destination. Alright, so it crashes on GLFW poll events. And I think I know. Wait, no, callback is disabled. That's not good. That's very bad, actually. Okay, one thing that I did. Oh no! No, that's our exit code, and 107374. The dev can't use malware correctly. Error. Just got roasted by a young make it. The dev can't use malloc correctly. Error. Ouch. To be fair, this is the old make it getting roasted by the old make it, but because, you know, I'm fixing old make it's errors. Now what that means is I could actually make just a video about the the physical resources of this disk have been exhausted. This is actually a really fun error. I got it once, I have no idea what I did to fix it, and I have no idea why it happened. Keep corruption, and these two I know very well. These are my very old friends, and this one, no idea. Once. These two are my very old friends. And the dev can't use malloc correctly. Error. Ooh, boy, that's Network Park, which means somewhere we are trying to access a value which is not mallocated. That's why we cannot also turn off the program. I could explain that, but there is no one watching the stream, so there's no point. It's actually a really pleasant thing to explain. But I will utilize my time better looking for it. So, World make it. You are. Don't make it easy for me, huh? We're not here to make it easy. We're here to make it happen. Alright. When did the problem start? I feel like a doctor. Alright, GitHub. I'm pretty I haven't changed a single thing yet, right? Well, I have. What is the error? I could actually commit that, by the way. Like, I'm back, something like this. Okay, the GitHub is not responding. Oh, yeah, let's commit that. Git commit. Wait, no. There was a different one before git commit. Oh, this, I guess. Guess who is back? Yeah, a lot of changes. TD disappeared. TD disappeared? TD was for fonts, if I'm not mistaken. Which is peculiar, but not wrong. Git commit everything. Guess who's back? Git push. Git push origin add Ventum engine. There we go. Oh yeah. Git pull. Git pull. You are not currently in a branch. Please specify which branch you want to merge with. Remote branch. Remote? And what is... So MKT multi app would be remote. And branch is Ventum engine. To be a Git repository. Okay, remote. Does it mean address? I can do that. I can give you the address. Mesh conflicts, automatic mesh fit. Fudge! Build SH. I fixed it on my Linux machine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Good. Well, as it should. Of course, I have Linux laptop because funny story. Actually, Ventum engine works on Linux and Windows. Build SH. Okay, which one we accept and which one we... I have no idea how to accept, but what's different? I don't see the difference. The length is exactly perfect, which basically means... Oh, fudge off! It's different order. Don't you? Oh. Oh, which one is incoming? Yeah, fine. We'll take the incoming one then. Yeah. Unmatched files. Pa. I swear, get on. Health. SH. Hit pull. Commit your changes. Git commit. Everything the message. Bug, but soon won't be if Git will not stop. Cool! Detached! What does it mean? That sounds scary. That sounds very scary. Okay, let's see. Source. Let's push everything. Push, you know. Git push origin head Phantom engine. Git push origin. Today someone told me that I have a very deep voice, which healed a lot of my insecurities. Alright, Vulkan. MKT Ab engine. Yes, it worked. Cool! Great! Yeah! Female dog! You're a goddamn artist! I'm sorry, I'm watching Breaking Bad. Cool! Great! Amazing! Wonderful! Wunderbar! As some might even say. Anyway, so. Time to fix the thing, right? I'm sorry, I already finished the cup. In 27 minutes, cool. That sounds like hard problems at 30. Anyway, so that's our clue. Yeah, working as a programmer, if you're working with C as a programmer, it's kind of not gonna lie. Obviously, C is the hardest language out there. Because C is kind of like, I actually am planning to make a video on this. Alright. So, by the way, today in the background it might be a bit weird because I'm actually moving videos to my archive, the ones that I finished, with characteristics to free up my disk space. Dimensions also finished, so I'll move that. And I do want to like get everything. Nice short PNG here. These I get. Badge is no longer useful, but glad it was here. This is very useful. Yeah. I have no idea how to read GIFs, by the way, for my engine. Because GIFs normally work like images. Except they are very much not images, they are moving. And I get that if you are not skilled with programming, you'll be like, if not skilled with informatics, you'll be like, well, obviously they're moving, not images. If you are more skilled, then you'll be like, well, that's not really true. GIFs or GIFs, I don't know, I see GIFs because in Poland, you really don't say G, you say GIF. Sometimes I'm just saying GIF. If you're more skilled, you'll say something like, well, obviously, but make it, listen, GIFs are very much images because of the way their file works, but if you get to the level where you'll be making your own graphical engine, you will say, well, I get you make it, I get your pain, because, well, if you have to create the entire thing from scratch, then I have no idea how to create a pipeline which would make moving images. No idea how to animate images. Clean. Not cleanly, of course I have a way to do it. Cleanly. I want cleanly and efficient. When it comes to text, I could have been done with text months ago, and I do mean literally months. But I want to do it clean, quick, effective, efficient. Right now, does not matter how big the text you want, right? How big the resolution, whatever. It will always be the same speed. Of course, if you have bigger, more bigger resolution, it will take more memory and stuff, and obviously it will take bigger notation and squared because pixels and square. But my script will work exactly the same for every single pixel because it's well done. I'm very proud of quadratic. I can actually show you the way that I calculate quadratics. I made it up. It's my own thing, and I love it because it's all math. It's only math. It's just math. That's it. As you can see, there are no tricks. Only math. This is multiplication. This is plus, multiply. It's only math, and that's it. It's very good. Anyway, my point being. Anyway. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of don't really have an idea of how to find the error. Because yeah, it errors over here on GLW Polyvent, but GLW Polyvent's this is erroring with 819, which means that it's trying to use some kind of value which is not allocated, which means it's using some kind of value that... Is it using a GLW value? No, it's probably using... Well, yeah, it's probably using GLW value, but my value is assigned on top of it, which causes to malfunction. Which means... I have two options. Either go through my entire script and look for stuff that are not mallocated. Pain. Or run it again and see what happens. It works. This broke it, by the way. That's kind of funny. That killed the thing. What's the exit code on this? Oh boy, wait. Is it one of my boys? It's not one of my boys. That's weird. I've never seen that. Oh. I don't know what that means, anyway. But that's... I'm pretty certain that's with, this, right? No, never mind. I really also like the fact... I know some may call it bad, but I really like the fact that it stops if you grab it. I like that fact. It's really good for safety. Because really often this is way easier. This is a better way to stop the program than having something... Because this is outside the program, to call it. This, the fact that you can grab it. If you have a button, like big red button over here that you can press to stop the program, if there's a problem with the program, then you will not be able to push the effing button. And this will not always work. Probably right now it might not work. Oh, it did work, because I'm genius, but... Oh, this is helpful. Oh, this is so helpful. This is so helpful. This is so helpful. AG and then died. What's after AG cleanup? Oh, this is genius. Why no one... No one told me about that. Oh, that's so genius. You can check this. Materials. Device. Okay, we'll need more. Obviously, clean up. Oh, I'm such an idiot. Obviously. Runtime kit. Swap chain frame buffers. Swap chain image. Oops. Oh, that's so smart. I haven't thought about that. Basically, here's the thing. This is our red flag, because this will 100% error if anything is wrong. This is the cleanup phase, which basically means, as you can see, it's destroying stuff, it's freeing it, freeing memory, destroying stuff. That's because every single thing that our program, every bit of memory that our program needs, in this phase we're basically telling the operating system, okay, our program has stopped working, you can take this memory back. Just use it for something else. Which means this is a perfect red flag. Perfect. Now the only thing we need to do is we need to get there, because our program will crash a couple of times. We just have to hope that we'll get the perfect bit formation to get with the init phase, and once it starts looping, we have to turn it off with this very shiny red X button, and then once we get to the cleanup, we're in the clear, and we should see it on the golden platter. We should see on the golden platter what was the problem. It would be in theory convenient to put one debug in between every single one of those, but I'm pretty certain it shouldn't go. Here we go. Option image. Fudge, it goes further than that, really? Swap chain. That's not good. That's not good. Device. Surface. Instance. GLFW window. Oh. It will be GLFW. It will be GLFW. I can bet my... I could bet my special part, considering that I'm too ugly for anything else anyway. Let me just... I'm sorry, Soda. I'm really sorry, Soda. I did say in the beginning that, you know, listening to music is amazing, but I need some nostalgia power right now. I need some plot armor. That's what I need. Alright, I cannot say anything. Spotify is not working. Oh, maybe, never mind. Spotify was not working, now it is working. And we want to go, obviously, for the... A second. Copyright-free Electro Swing by Odd Chap. Oh, nostalgia hits right there, anyway. There we go. GLFW, obviously, yeah, I knew that would be a thing. GLFW terminate. Now, here's the thing. This I'm not going to be an idiot about it. I'll do it the smart way. Because I know there is a smart way to do it. Obviously, only one smart way to do it. I'll ask ChatGPT. Because it's perfect for those kind of things. What can cause the GLFW function GLFW terminate to terminate with the echo last exit code? Yeah, the basic. With the let's see. What does the GLFW terminate function uses to clean up resources? Yeah, I know. The error code typically indicates a segmentation fault. I know. I'm very familiar with that one. Attempting to access and fully memories. I know. Double free. If you have already called GLFW terminate before, if you are trying to free memory as when it's free, yeah, I know. Undefined behavior. I know. Reading issues. No memory corruption. Well, maybe. Updating comfortable GLFW. That's it. ChatGPT, why are you treating me like an idiot? I mean, I get that treating people like idiots is the most optimal way to go, but in this case, could you answer as if you were trying to figure out what's causing the error? You were trying to figure out what's causing the error whilst explaining it to an advanced computer scientist who knows about all the basic errors. Listen, I don't mean to boost my ego or anything, but you know, I know that every single time you ask online what is the reason, they will always tell you the first obvious stuff. Let's start by discussing what error code. Oh, I love it! Oh, I love it! I have to show you this. I love it. I love it! That is terminating with the error. Yeah, I know! Give me the juicy stuff! So boring! I know all of these things. Like the program. I know! We need to bug program. I know! I'm trying to avoid that, that's why I'm asking you. Because it will be pain. Examine use chicken memory. I know, but if memory heap is corrupted, it will be a pain. Alright, okay. Any ideas for some more advanced and specific causes for that error in the GLFW terminate function? For example, some GLFW specific variables, obstructs. I don't know. I'm not gonna lie, there is probably no reason, and because of that, ChatGPT will not be able to help me because there is genuinely no answer that it could provide me, right? I'll have to debug my program, but boring. I'm not boring, that's what I mean. What I mean by boring is I mean I already know that, unfortunately. Yeah, no. Yep, I have a memory management issue, alright? I know that. Yeah, I know, my heap is corrupted. What's the quickest way to detect where the memory heap is getting corrupted in C? Memory can be... Yeah, thank you for agreeing with me on that one. Memory error detector such as Valgrind. Address sanitizer. I like that idea. I like the idea of having someone else deal with my address sanitizer. Valgrind seems very professional, and I'm afraid that it might be, you know, painful. Get it? Because like I meant the word was painful and paid. Because I'm poor, in case you didn't know. Give me a second, so we capture. These streams might be actually more entertaining than I thought. This could be like a cool podcast for someone. Address sanitizer. Oh, it's on GitHub. Yeah, so I was right that one. It's on LLVM! Oh, no way! I'm sorry. Excited. LLVM! Okay. How to build. Oh boy, it's this sort of thing, huh? Please tell me you have like... Use after the cope, that's what I read. How do you use it? Oh, haha. No. No. Oh, no. No. You know what that means? That means I need to get Clang. Google. I trust you. Do I have Clang? I should have Clang. I have Clang, but I have to... Fudge! It's fine. It's fine. It's fine! I just have to install Clang! Oh, come on! So Clang has a built-in auto setup. That's actually very smart. I'm not gonna lie. I like it. Changes. Okay. Clang. Please tell me there's like a. There's no problem installing it. I can just get an executable. Oh, please tell me I can just get an executable. Please, no problems. Come on, come on, come on. There's no problem. GitHub release, please. No, we're looking for exit. We're looking for exit. Please, I don't want to. Yes! Oh, please. No, that doesn't mean anything yet. Basically, tar means it's feasible, it's for Linux, and I don't mean Linux as an operating system, I mean Linux as a mentality. Tar basically means that you have to do a lot of stuff by yourself, and the source code means that you're insane. And a source code zip means that you're absolutely insane. Anyway, LVM. Cool. Soon I'll be going more to science, physics, chemistry, not only computer science, because basically this is not really programming informatics. Programming informatics are only here because I need them, because otherwise it won't work. LVM's already installed. Debatable, I have Clang. Unless I do have Clang. Unless I might have Clang, but Clang just might not be executed by adding that patch. Fine, yeah, actually, yeah, let's do it. Please don't tell me that Clang has GCC. Obviously, add current user on the others. 68, yeah, stuff. Start menu folder. Yeah, I know. Okay, LVM is really cool. I like it, the idea of LVM. Level tools. Clang. Yes, oh, it is Clang. Clang Cross Class is like G++, so it's. I'm pretty certain at least. So it should be executed by Clang. Just Clang CL. Oh no wait, no Clang. Yeah, it's kind of Clang CL. Clang CL sounds like Clang for OpenCL, which would be weird and obscure. Really weird and really obscure. LVM is a really cool project. Actually, it's so large that it's kind of wrong to just say it's a project. I know it says project in here, but it's not wrong. It feels wrong to say it's a project because LVM is massive. It's a standard that it's a very good standard. Actually, it's a good standards. Maybe. And that's why I'm cleaning up the videos, because then I'll go and make some videos. I have to make 6 before I start uploading them. And I don't think I'll be uploading only once a week. I will be uploading once a week if my channel will get traction. Right now, what are my channel stats? Actually, I haven't checked in a couple of days because I'm gone and I eat that for long. Let me check. 118 views. Simple Code 3, the simplest as 44. I feel bad because I was not that good video. Simple Code 3, the simplest. It's not that good video, right? Let me check. Oh, isn't it good? Yeah, so I'll be uploading once a week, and if my videos will traction, then I'll be uploading. Now upload the rest of the videos all at once. Just leave it out like that. So I'll have to make 6 videos, and 6 kind of relatively boring videos. I still think they'll be interesting, but they'll be relatively boring. And then we'll get to the chemistry, physics, and algebra. I'm kind of obliged to make those 6 videos because they'll be about computer science and they'll explain everything you need to know in order to understand everything I say. Kind of. Head because I know a lot of obscure words which are at all not necessary, but programmers use them because they're legal and because it saves fun. But in the meantime, how my videos doing? And so on. Just want to restore it down. That's interesting. Because I need to do that. Alright. I'll have to finish before I can go back. Apple's basics. AlcoVerSML, I don't know if that's a thing, that's why I'm leaving it now. Biggest problem for oh yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the GPU. GPU will be the 6. 7, 8. These are actually all really fun. Relatively. Actually, no, really fun. Mistake? Oh, that's mistake. Oh, I remember the mistake. Delete the mistake. No. We don't think before we're ready for them. I don't think that's a good video. I think I made that because there's a lot of videos that I just was going to make before because I had to upload every single day, which is terrible news. You know how that gets bad if you are making videos just because you have to upload every single day. That's why I'm not doing videos every single day, because it makes crappy videos. Also, recycle bin, empty. Oh, I pressed open. Empty, 68 items. Oops. Recycle bin is empty. Now let's check how much things I have. I have right now 134. That's more. That's a bit more than 60. Actually, that would be great. Alright. Alrighty, right. Alrighty, right. Oh. Cool. So, like, Klang. Beautiful. Beautiful. Unfortunately, it will not work right away. Why? Well, long story. I'll have to turn off my terminal and all the stuff first. Because environment plus CD, desktop projects, git, mkt multi-app code. Alright. Time to set up Klang. Now here's the problem with Klang. I think actually I'll say that as Python here. Cool. So let's add Windows Math. Also like that. Windows Math is my math. Anyway. Klang. What will Klang do well? The lab you asked. We need this. No, we need this. It's debug. And I need this Klang string. There we go. And I want this to be Klang. Otherwise, I want this to be GCC. And now if I do this, it should work. Build PowerShell quadratic shaders debug. Huh? Okay. Debug is. Alright, let's delete that. Let's delete that. I guess then. I can see the problem now. Alright, fine, we'll do it. If we take this, we'll just do it like that. Alright. There we go. Great. It works. Fun. Amazing. Wonderful. Great. Cool. So. I'm scared that goodbye pushed some people up. I don't know if this one is or not. Anyway, by the way, I had currently my streams are not aligned with current schedule, so I see a simple solution. I asked currently what the schedule is like, and then I also asked them which streams would they like to see. Actually, let's ask them right now. And a follow up. What would you like me to stream in that time? Charity checkups or event engine making streams? I mean, I'm not really streaming. No one's watching, so might as well stream for Crookie. Clang. That worked. It did. It didn't. No wait, it did. These are all warnings. It did work. Clang is very not happy with. Deprecated. Does that mean you will link a command failed exit? Can open. So it didn't work. It was close though. The thing with GCC is that it's a bit older. Not getting wrong, it was updated, but the base idea is older, which basically means that the base idea, which means it basically has in mind. Basically, GCC was made for programmers who know what they're doing. And I don't mean to get old back in the day, but back in the day, if you were trying to access some really weird place in memory not allocated previously, which would result in 10 million errors today, then you were doing it probably for a reason and it wasn't an error. But these days there's just no need for that. And so GCC stayed the original way because as we usually see, Clang has a more modern approach. The problem is that C does not really require a modern approach, that's why you have other approaches. C was first, so the other programming language was literally just 5 warnings rate. Well, I'm pretty certain it's more than 5, but okay. Link a command failed with execute. GLW3 that you cannot open that. May I ask? I'm pretty certain I'm using MinGW. I'm decently certain. Yeah, I am. I should ask ChatGPT what are causes for that. I'm working on a program and am trying to switch from to thankfully, with no errors, no warnings in after changing the GCC in the command to run. It didn't build because of the error. The GLFW fine with the
Alright, I guess I wasn't thinking.
Where's
You weren't thinking. You mean you'll work on engines and machinery?
I realized that this is the best use of for
Shake hands with danger.
for ChatGPT, because even though it's not really good at being specialist, right? It's not really good at specific stuff. It's yeah, but I really pointed it out. The directory part in language are correct and the reason might as well. Now, what did I leave? Is it the SDK link? Yes. Walk. Apparently it's this. I don't think. Maybe. Oh, that actually may be true. Yeah, errors. I get it. I mean, it's warning. It's not errors. It's just warning me that it's not. It didn't work still. Is that incorrect? Check. CSDK lib. Call me Crazy Chris, alright, if you have to, but I'm pretty certain that GLW is not here. Except this, libglw, so it has to be, there also has to be GLW, right? It's not. How did the previous one go? Why is it not there? GDI32. No, GDI32 is... That's wrong. Whoops. GLW3, oh, apparently... Maybe you should put the A? I don't think so. Yeah, I'm using that. Okay, what does my link for? Not having troubles with OpenCL. I'm linking SDK lib twice. Must be important. No, not really an idea, honestly. Needs to try. I mean, to be fair, it cannot find GLW3 lib, but what it was looking for lib GLW3.a. Okay, what? Okay. I'm not blaming it for not finding the file, it's just simply not here. GLW mate. I can check my SDK. I could potentially. Let's see. SDK. Well, GLW files. GLW files are nowhere to be found. I don't have a GLW folder. I definitely have GLW, don't worry. I'm just leaving it here. Oh. That's all good. Okay, this one is very much finding it. Now this is where ChatGPT should shine, and I do believe it will, I'm hoping. What's the difference between the file glfw 3.lib and libglfw3.a. It should shine here. Yep, and it's a static. Oh! You client compiler on Windows, you need to obtain version 3 that. Alternatively, you can switch back to the which is compatible with glw3lib. Okay. How to link the libglfw3.a in Clang? I love ChatGPT! That's how you should use it. Not to generate video ideas or video titles. Mate, it's ChatGPT is genius. Yeah, path to. What if I'm doing it by this book? The found is correct. It is correct, but I can't find it. Which is not good.
We don't know. All we got are suspects.
So
My
what is
job,
that?
find out who.
The libglfw3.a is in that folder, but the Clang compiler still gives me the here, if I may. This link.
There's a guy named Jones, lab man. He makes prints of films.
With
He handled this print.
If I could, I would
there's
just
Smith.
like to
He's a film distributor.
copy the entire thing.
And Brown, he's film director at the station.
I know you're trying to make me the ball guy.
Which bit to call important?
Protecting
Well,
That friend
it's
well
awkward.
enough to thread her up.
We just need GLW, there we go. And we also need Clang link. Yeah, let's just at this point, and don't mind the fact that my thing will make no sense. Right, Clang debug string, yep. Yeah, I know. Name library without the lib prefix and a extension. Buddy, what's the difference between my thing
We
and your
don't
thing?
know. All we got are suspects.
That's the
My
key.
job,
No
find
difference.
out who.
The only difference is you delete space. Wait, well, if they tell me to delete the space, I'm a good boy, I'll delete the space. It don't work. Well,
My job, find out who.
Clang is still looking for the glfw3lib file after applying fix, but before that let's also specify and not the glfw3.a with the prefix lib. This.
Somebody's guilty. Maybe all of them together. What if they stick to their stories? We're stuck with a perfect crime. It happens. More than you think.
Nope. This is a Full puff. Okay, will do. I can't use the ID. Bit of a skill issue. Otherwise, the first thing came to mind. This is good enough. Come on. Come on, Clang. I'm leaving it. Why can you not? Don't live. Why don't live? No! No! Ah, fudge. After giving it the full buff, it responded with the error. Ooh, now you're gaming. Now you're gaming. That's... No, sorry, I'm supposed to tell you. That's... Now that's a fix. Now that's a fix. That's a beautiful fix. Please tell me it will work. Because...
Hello, Johnny there? Hello, Johnny? Look, I've got an idea.
But that was such a beautiful fix. I just wanted to say to ChatGPT I'm proud of it. Because that's a beautiful fix. Sorry, but after applying your fix, I got the error. Oh, such a beautiful fix. I'll just put it in the computer. Get more information. Try renaming. That's dangerous, but an idea. I mean, it's worth a shot. GLFW3.live. Well, they don't call me Smart Man Make It for a reason, because they don't call me at all. So let's do it. If you change the file name, it might become unusable. You don't have to tell me that twice. I think it's going to work, but fine. Who am I to judge? Fine, let's do it. What's the worst thing that could happen? Well, there's a lot, but actually not. What's the worst thing that could happen? That's a good question. There's nothing bad could happen. I'm pretty certain. Listen, certainly. Let's go for it. Yeah, yeah. It's the most thing that could happen. Just get some corrupted filers. Yeah. Well, I guess we need more output then. Let's delete that zero. Okay, cool. What's your compose? Alright. That, okay. Oh no. It's a lot of stuff. Excuse me? Oh, this is the full link. Is this the full link output? Because then I don't know if it's I don't know if Venom is worth it honestly. How much of this output do I have to provide? Because since you asked for it, it still doesn't work. Here's the output. Yeah. I think I lost him. No, boy. It's too generated. I said that that's the best way to do it because this should remove the warning. Okay, cool. Not our problem though. That's not our problem. Where's the other warning? Oh, here. Cool. So let's just trim a bit of the output. No, let's just trim it. Like. Warning, and there we go, trimmed, sufficiently trimmed. It's present. Not our problem though, unfortunately, that's not what you're going for. This is interesting. Anyway.
And now we come to the
Well, nothing beats Google research. How to link lib.a files in line. Fine. No.
Hello?
Bring up the boys, man. Tell them to meet me at Pine Creek Forks. Flying V payroll's been robbed. Pete Bell has been kidnapped. Tell the boys to ride.
We'll use lib. But that's pretty that's dynamic. Unless I'm an idiot.
Clear out now, buddy.
Is it
There's
A
the Flying
static?
V payroll.
Everyone's different dynamics in this world. Do I have to use Bing? How to link a static library? If this won't work. Yeah!
What you say? Somebody held up the kidney. Probably the Higgs gang. Bring your horse. They're headed for Pine Creek.
Ain't
Get
that
them going
great?
to the camp. Hurry up and I'll meet you at Frank's.
That solves a lot of problems. Don't link it, just include the thing. Great, no, it's fun. I like it. I like the idea, I like the effort. We had fun. Let's delete the variables and we'll just delete the thing. Yeah, it's just warnings. We'll be fine. No, that's bad. What's the other cleanup? Clang is very hard to use. Ah, it's pretty C. Grind. It has a grind in it, so it's legit.
Where's
By
the
grind
flying V
home.
payroll?
Okay. So Valgrind is framework. It's a framework. Okay, cool. So that's good. Is it down to framework or some example tools? Okay. There's a guide for it, that means it's not good. Oh, it's... Oh, absolutely not. It's tempting. Not running Linux, what do we not running Linux?
In the blaze of your love, the sparks fly over again. In the blaze,
Valgrind is Linux only. Makes sense.
I'm standing on embers again.
Purify. I was drawing like this. What? Great! End of support.
Chasing highs to escape my lows. When the dust finds me, I'm ready to go. I've made my calls to get my fix. Once again, my soul is turning.
Interesting is that I do have GDB, I know how to use GDB, I'm very fond of GDB. I'm in GDB, exactly. GDB is a simple tool, GDB main. exe, right? Oh, there we go, yep. And just run. Wait, what? There was like, oh, I didn't use GPT in a while.
I'm standing on embers
Let's just find directly. Right, quit.
I'm chasing highs to escape.
Oh, there might be not. Oh, there might be. Okay. Gas point me. Go. Gas Breaking Bad. People are apparently, by the way, scared of the acting. I'm not really that much of a fan of Breaking Bad. I enjoy it. It's good, but no, I'm not fun enough to know names of actors, and I don't know them. I know that the actor who played Gus Fring has a lot of problems because, first of all, people always recognize him as Gus Fring, and second of all, people don't actually most of the time know that he's an actor. Apparently, they just treat him as Gus Fring, which is kind of interesting. Huh. I'll do a lot of trouble. Dimensions copied. Cool. Dimensions delete. What else is that? No, actually. Yep. So those are all stuff that we'll have to work on in this future. I'll start uploading. Today's Tuesday, Monday, right? Tuesday. It's Tuesday. I'll start uploading Sunday. That's good, right? I think. First video, second, third, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means we'll have 6 videos left. That's okay, cool. So, oh, so this is done. That's good. Because I had only 3 things to do for today. Actually, when it comes to the thing, first of all was the Venom Engine live stream, second of all was the videos cleanup, and third of all was the child checkup. I'll have to do another one. I'm running one behind. That's because of my messed up sleep schedule. Basically I missed a day. I didn't miss a day with child checkups, but I missed a day with my sleep. And so right now, in one of my day, right? So I woke up, I'll stream one child checkup. I already streamed it. It was really short because I was tired, and then I'll have to stream another one. So I'll have to stream 2 child checkups in one day, but in one Monday. My day, not Monday. My day, because it's after midnight, so it actually said okay, honestly, I don't fancy going through the entire code and figuring out what's breaking it. You could check these. These are all the values, and every single value that has the star would break it. If I had money, I would hire someone to do it for me. I don't actually remember which was the last version, but these problems, which means that no. Not me. Let's temporary disabled. Temporary. Future make it. Yeah. It's permanent. Unless I'll make a video about it or get a very good deal. Well, it's time to go for the gold. Because I don't think this will work, but it could. So, might as well try. This is a very dangerous function. Very dangerous. Hahaha. Hahaha.
I'm standing on embers again. I'm chasing highs to escape my lows.
Now that's interesting. Couldn't find it. Okay, so I had glfw3.lib. Something happened to it. glfw3.lib download. I don't. Just give me the thing. Damn it. Yes, please. Cool. We have to finally get the thing. C drive, SDK. Again, I'm not as cool as those other programming live streams. Could do it on Linux with, you know, with working with terminal all the time and knowing what they're doing, but must be big. Wow. Must be big. What do you mean you cannot find it? That's bad and wrong. Oh, because when you specify this like that, Oh, so maybe we do not. Well, I do have the GLF-W3.lib now, so I guess. I don't know. Anyway, cool, main. Yeah, it doesn't work now. It would be funny to just say like, yeah, sometimes you have to enable the program, you know, a couple of times before it starts working. It would be funny. Yeah, there are a couple minor memory leaks and stuff. Well, there are no memory leaks. It's just undefined behavior. Not bad, right? Because it was stable. One day I'll run it through some kind of memory sanitizer and then we'll, you know, quit having those awful memory leaks. In the meantime, just, you know, just go. It's fine.
Enjoy the clear, cold days of winter when the earth is buried under its glistening blanket of snow.
What's really cool about this is that we can actually type subscribe to make it. The problem is it's kind of broken because shift is T, for example. Caps lock is up. The caps lock is absolutely not doing anything. Enter is smiley faces. Subscribe to make it. Sub to make it. Fudge, no. Sub to make it. Fudge, I know you have to. Sub to make it. No! Sub to slow. No, fudge, it's harder than it looks, okay? I guess I could just press shift for the last one. Sub to. Fudge! There we go. That's smiley face. Now the problem with this is this causes our program to be even more unstable than this, which is bad. So instead, I mean, okay, cool. Well, that's great. Now the idea here is that we will. Oh, wait, it worked. Wait, whoa, what? That's... Wait, is this why the GLFW was crashing? It might be. Oh, it might so much be. But right now this is crashed, right? Echo last exit code. Same error, but different cause. So there are two errors. One of them is fixed. Now for the undefined behavior, this might actually be fun. Alright. Well, I guess let's get our debugs in place. Let's get the R debugs this time. R debug. It's kind of sad because I don't really have anyone. I don't really know anyone who knows programming enough to, or computer science. Let's be real. No, at this point, not programming. Computer science enough to appreciate what I'm doing here. It's pretty sad. That's why I want to spread computer science, spread the knowledge of computer science, so that people would actually, so that my ego would be boosted and people would actually appreciate what I'm doing. Anyway, R debug. Because using terminal like this, that's baby play. That's coding and C, baby play. Coding a graphical engine, baby play. There are tutorials online. Coding this kind of engine, that's wrong. Now it crashed. That was expected to happen. Yeah, so it's a bit unstable. Wait, is it not a debug? Am I going crazy? Wait, how do you get our debugs? Let's define it then. Right, I think that's pretty simple. Now our debugs will work. Convenient. Undefined behavior is so fun. I made a video just on that. There we go, it crashed. That's interesting though. We got some information from that. Up to 7 GLW elements. So okay, it crashed because of undefined behavior GLW. That's interesting. Thank you, NVIDIA. Now it looks fine. GLW now. So GLW once again dies, but I think that GLW dies because it's the most sensitive, or because the undefined behavior of the corruption happens exactly what GLW does. So that means we fix the thing, we figure the problem, we find which memory is not allocated, we solve the case, and the engine is fine, handy dandy. Easy. I'm not one to sugarcoat it, it's really easy. Because it crashed right now. Echo last exit. Ooh, heap corruption, right? There we go. It's bad news, but it's bad news in a good way, because it's bad news because it's way harder to debug heap corruption, but it's good news because that means that these were two separate errors and we fixed one of them. So we fixed one problem, so good news is the fact that we fixed one problem. Bad news is the fact we have no idea how many problems there are because of this heap corruption. Heap corruption, what would be good analogy? Heap corruption is kind of like symptoms of a disease, right? That's what heap corruption is. It's like symptoms of a disease, which basically means that... but very gruesome symptoms. Is that what? Very gruesome symptoms. Which basically means that these symptoms may be cause for some other diseases. It may weaken the organism. Actually, literally, that's a very good analogy. It may weaken the organism so that the organism will catch other diseases. But it also has a cause, so it's not the actual disease. In this case, it's actually a very good analogy, because that means there is something in our code that's causing the heap corruption, and then this heap corruption is causing the GLW problems, because systems are very sensitive to errors. So what we have to do is fix it, right? That's as easy as that. Now, the problem with heap corruption is that it's almost impossible to spot. ChatGPT. Any good ideas for spotting heap corruption in C? It would be good to note that the project in question is rather large, so checking manual would be suboptimal. Yeah, but could you elaborate on the first one? Oh, these are all good. I love you. Memory sanitizer. Okay, that sounds like a good memory sanitizer. Okay, these answers seem to be good. LVM. Wait, can I try to build it with Clang now? Because I do have the thing that I need. Clang, please. Because I think the thing might because of that. L. I will take the L.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We'll find out for legal information.
Warning, but these aren't the actual problems. Symbol in string. Clang is kind of no. Please. Sign up for free. Listen,
Something a little, with a lot of
if it can find issues, why do I need to sign up like that? Send this. Just have to make it sign in. Thank you. Come on, I love the security. It's secure. Use the same thing as no verification request found. You are lying. Excuse me? Pardon?
Thanks a lot for the story, Inspector. I'm sure we got enough.
My object malfunctioned. Pardon? My GitHub mobile just malfunctioned. It showed me something like no request found. Email. That's all good. Whoops. Which email? I have 7 emails that will start with that. I found the one. It was the email. Yeah, I feel comfortable showing that on stream because
Hey,
this
Johnny, well, I guess it's time to put our
is
songs away
useless
for
right
another
now.
day and to say so long to all you nice people out there.
What are those? Huh? My GitHub project.
We all enjoy being together, but is anyone left out? Think so. Well, that's our guest list. Now,
Is that from GitHub, I guess?
invitation.
Wait, I know Andrew.
Should we write? Dear Alice, would you like to come to a party at my house Saturday, March 24th at 8 p.m. and so on? Well, I thought we could write. This is just an informal party. Let's just phone everyone.
Submit. Submit build. Ooh. Tar file. Tar, you say? I don't know if that's in my power. Explorer. Let me check if that's in my power. I know this. Oh, but in order to do that, you will need all of the files. 7-zip. Do you need tar? Can it be a zip? Can it be a zip? Because that's... Can I do zip? Does it have to be a tar? I don't really have the tools necessary to produce a tar into zip. Mac OS X. Pretty certain that's not right.
All right, now next is entertainment.
We want to show Steve a good time, but, well, we don't know too much about what he likes. The best thing I know for breaking the ice and getting people acquainted is some good mixer games.
It's a big night.
By function, your code base currently allows to treat these functions differently. It's called modeling file. Yeah, I don't think it obviously working like this. I'm looking for more of a download. I'm looking more for a download thing and run it on my machine, considering that platform Windows language C X download. Okay, cool. Request trial. Haha. Try for free. Yeah, that's very cool. What? No, not yet. Didn't believe that. Oh, this will be my new background. Oh, how did you know I was a C programmer? Oh shoot, this is my new background. This is my new background. This is good. It's not a good background. I have to close this. I just have to close. Oh, this is great. Oh, fantastic. Love it. I just love it. Just straight up love it. Yep, this is like one more thing. Oh. Anyway, let me just go for the community image. Please tell me it's ratio with fudge 2.5 and 5.2. Is it really not in, okay, it might not be in 2.5. Otherwise the joke might not work. I have to make it funny. Get it? That's a reference to make it. Okay, let me just. That's how you resize images, right? So just like this. Beautiful. That ought to be. Desktop. C programmer moment. How did you know that I'm a C programmer? There's a Windows dot? Yeah. Ned? No. No. Honestly, I have no idea. I don't know
What do you got there, dear? Oh, just some stuff for a Halloween party at school. I'm the treasurer. Oh, I didn't know you had a Halloween party at school. Well, we're just gonna dress up and play some games. Oh, that sounds like fun. School parties always are. Get out of stuff.
Yeah, Halloween's a lot of fun for kids.
Don't you like Halloween?
This is so funny. I like this. I'm sorry, but it's real. It's good. Make more like when you recommend to this Monday. This is also neat. Oh, that's cool. Anyway, ChatGPT, what else did you tell me? Use defensive program techniques. Boundary checking, error checking, data validation. Yeah, it's a bit too late for that, unfortunately. It's a bit too late for that. that. CL, not quite, but Doctor Memory. I like it.
How's the party coming, dear?
Oh, hi. Well, I've got it just about all planned. I thought we'd finish off the evening with a little dancing.
Dance? I hope they don't pull that stuff at
It's faster than Valgrind.
You can't dance anyway.
You can.
Damn. Impressive. On the side, well, fine, I guess. On the side. That's peculiar. Huh. Exit valve, really? Yeah, but I'm hoping that
What do you got
it's
there,
not the
dear?
case
Oh,
here.
just some stuff for a Halloween party at school. I'm the treasurer.
Oh, I didn't know you were gonna have a Halloween party at school.
Don't
We're just
worry.
gonna dress up and play some games.
Oh, that
Just
sounds like fun.
safe.
School parties always are. You better. We get out of study.
Yeah, Halloween's a lot of fun for kids.
Don't you like Halloween fun?
Annual inspection. Fudge. Cover this can. It's no going, but no bills for yeah because. Alright, fine. Let's try it. This. Can I get one from not from macros?
Wait a minute. Where are we going?
Oh, to the party.
Oh no, it's separate. I'm an idiot. Add the bin directory to your path. Pre-configure for GC. Lovely. Love it. Actually, download some fun. Okay.
Comes far, there's no return. See many places, so we gotta learn. The things we're seeing ain't the things we feel. Loving isn't easy, baby. Love is for keepers, and I will hold on to you. We'll hold on,
Build command will take a while.
hold on. We'll hold on to you. We'll hold on to you. I can give you high love if you stay strong. All I want is to keep you from your downfall. I can give you high love if you hold on. If you want me to leave, guess what?
Okay, so I have to download this. There's one problem, I have external libraries. Wouldn't that cause a problem?
With all the lies and all the change, it's hard to keep up. But if you
It-
fail and if you
it
fall,
should.
you know to pick you up. I love you, baby, but I'll never change. Loving isn't easy, baby. Love is for keepers, and I will hold on to you. We'll hold on to you.
Right, so that's how we get the tag. Got it. Right. Chunky file.
Hold on to you.
Yes. Cool. What's inside? Really fun folder. Let's copy to desktop. 2 gigabytes. Great. I'm heading out of the house at 6 a.m. because I need to buy some batteries for my voice recorder. I think I'd like to change the style of it and record my voice recorder like a microphone. The only problem is it sounds a bit off. Yeah, my voice recorder doesn't have any juice in it, so I'm not expecting it to even turn on. It's bad with batteries, and those are like, oh, it would be really fun if I could do. Let me check the file. That's possible. Because then that would significantly improve my recordings, because I would be able to record more of them, which means more tries, which means more better recordings. Alright. Alright, let's test it. Hello everyone and welcome to yet another video. Now this is a test. Okay, that's right. Let's see. Sounds no. What we're looking for, by the way, is not a screeching sound, but close. Is that... Alright, let's now try to move it from hand to hand. Let's see how it reacts to that, what are its limits. And right now, let's just move the hand around. Let's see how it goes with that. Okay. It's on one bar of 5, so that's not great. There we go. You can hear surprise. So I'll have to... Okay. So apart from that, it's fine recorder. By fine, I mean really good one. This. Come on! There you are. See? Just hear that. Yeah, I have a couple of recordings here. Hello everyone and welcome to yet another video. Now this is it. Oh, it's... Oh. Alright, let's now try to move it from hand to hand. Let's see how it reacts to that, but this audio is good. Hello everyone and welcome to yet another video. Now this is a test. Okay, let's try. This is really good. Oh, I like that. Oh, I like that. Fudge. It might be good. Of course, if I would, if I was a professional YouTuber, I would be rich and I would just buy a microphone for my camera and then install the microphone on my camera, which means I wouldn't have to worry about any microphone. I would just have to press one button on the camera and there we go, we can roll, but unfortunately... Once we submit the thing over to this analysis tool, then we'll end the live stream there. There's nothing we'll be able to do before we fix the thing. Well, we could, but that would be dangerous, so... Another thing, I did commit everything and... kind of, done. I like to add question marks in there usually. Git push origin head and great, cool. That worked. And now still has been topic. So now I can do binaries. Like place with the binaries. So now what? Because I forgot what exactly I'm supposed to do. I'm supposed to do. What I was supposed to do is I was there. Cov build directory. What's the directory plan? Cov build. Alright, so what do we propose cov build? Bin cov build help. Okay, so I guess directory cov int and the build command. The build command being build dot PowerShell 1. That's really dangerous. That might not work actually. Build PowerShell 1 space. Yeah, I have no idea how this will work, but cool. With no debug, no quadratic shaders, no need for that. Just build. Yeah, just build. The build PowerShell 1. Perfect. I'm sorry, what? Did I miss a step? That's optional. I did change my directory. Flag GCC. The build completed successfully. Verify that, huh? Well. It did not. Cool. Not good. Build PowerShell. Pardon me. It should work. Okay, so I could also just create shell. Build.
This is the new hit of the week record. Our music curator, composed of
Tools.
4 and 6 bells, Eddie Cannon,
Shell should work on
Vincent
Windows, right?
Lopez, select the outstanding
hope.
dance hit of the hour for a hit of the week recording.
Include the year of those we just want to delete any funny business when we PowerShell like this and this.
This is the new hit of the week record.
Build for no. That won't work on Windows, right? Huh. I apparently that took you a while to get. What? Mate, we're on Windows. What? We're on Windows, and I was very. I'm confused. Never mind, does not matter. Care not, because I can just change the patch. Right? Then it should be fine, handy dandy. Yeah, we can just use it as well. Wait, that's cool. Oh, but
This is the new hit
oh,
of the week
I do have.
Our music curator, composed of 4 and 6 bells,
Make a written error. That's that's actually that actually like it works. I forgot. Can't delete this. And now we have to think magic. Thingamajig. That's what it is. Git push or origin head engine. Just don't know what I'm saying. And now I want to go back to this. Instead build what was but this takes a while. There we go. Good. Great. That's good news. That's good news. That means it should work. Very good news. Yeah. That's very good news. Yes. I assume that code flashing is a good sign. So, takes a while longer, but that was expected. We are kind of running too also. Makes sense. This is also fairly large for just some random GitHub project, so might take a while. Also has memory leaks. Whoops. Could play chess in the meantime, I guess. Oh, never mind. Soon. It's right here. And it worked. And right now we have the memory leak. Oh, no, never mind. There we go. Good. And so cool. So now what we have to do is we have to what? Version? Well, it's 0.9. Actually, I did have a version, but I totally forgot which one it is. So it's 0.9. We do have 4 things to fix, right? Alright, so we have 4 things to fix. That means it's 6. Description tag, refixing, there we go, upload tar, and I'm hoping that there's a tar here. It's not. What in where? Importantly, we will check it. Check it. Just use star. 7 zip won't work, I assume. Oh, I can zip it. I can zip it. Cool. Explorer. Great. 7 zip. Just. Actually. Except zip. What do you zip things? No idea. I am not that good with computers. I don't know. How do you? Where's the zip? Yep. Great. Open directory, Azure directory. Yeah. Submit. That's it. Great. 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 There we go. Done. Six builds ahead of it. That seems quick. Damn. Fully configured. What else is left to configure? Delete project. After no. Committed first build. Comments with more modeling file. I don't see. Modeling file. I did that's. Okay, upload project build. I did upload one. Okay, so this is done. Next thing, liquid components. This. Chris conquers the defects and the. Defects are usually.
You see what low grade you made on your weekly mathematics test?
I'm fine with checking false positives. I don't want to mess and listen. I'm more fine with checking false positives than I am with messing something up and causing it not to detect something that's important. So, you know, I just better say this way. As I said, we'll just play on the first lesson, so let's finish it with 10-minute game. Well, that's interesting. That's tempting. Let's finish it with something spicy that I don't do that often. 3-2. 3-2 is interesting because you can really use it. Use on time in 3-2, then that's sad. Right? Just that. Yes, I'm an idiot. I mean, this is looking. Okay, then I guess never mind. You will take that, I'll be so pleased. You won't take that. I guess it's fine. I'll have to do like this. That will lead to en passant, but at the same time, never mind. Fake will be.
Just what was Mr. Grimes' purpose in making such statements as these? This is the poorest class I've had in a long time. This is hardly the way
This
to
chick
win
is
friends or
interesting.
influence people.
This, I guess. It will lead to actually. I like the idea. Pushing this. This is a bit of a weakness, I guess. If I didn't know my thing is. Just, oh boy. Oh boy. Actually, no, wait. It's relatively fine. I could check. Don't think that did a whole lot, but no, good intentions. Sending positive vibes. Maybe they forgot about the night. Because if this, then this. Actually, no, wait. If this, then this, and then this. No, not this. You have to. Actually, oh shoot! I should have let the night suck. Actually, that's not as bad as it could be. This then. Night will go somewhere funky. It can. So I'm just trying to crunch this remote things. Fudge! I actually have no idea where the night will go. That's interesting. That makes sense. That makes sense, and it's a problem. Why is it a problem? Because it's a problem because I should take, honestly. Also, this check. Hope, the check of hope, as I like to call it. It did not work well for me.
Suppose Mr. Grimes had tried another
Look at
approach.
disadvantage for white. Yeah, these 4 mistakes were worse than the one blunder. Well, I guess the only thing to do right now is to wait for the response. Thank you, ChatGPT, for help. That was lovely. And I'll just wait. In the meantime, I'll also prepare for the charity checkup livestream, and I'll also work on some videos, because yeah, I am still working on videos. I don't have really the time to upload them on the normal industrial speed, but I still am working on them a bit. Thank you everyone so much for watching, and thank you everyone for watching, and have a great day.